Hi, this is Mark from IndexJet. In this video, we talk about how to remove pages from Google search results. These pages could be hacked pages that were created maliciously and then indexed in search results. And we have an in-depth article here that talks about how to remove pages step by step from Google search results. I won't walk through this article now. I'll go more into the actual steps that you need to take in IndexJet. So the very first step is to gather a list of URLs that you want to remove. We can take the example here of the Yoast Image Seo Bug. What that used to be is that Yoast SEO had a setting where it would index all of the images separately in Google search results, which is absolutely not necessary. And let's say you had a lot of images or other pages indexed in Google search results. You would come here to IndexJet and you would set these pages to be 410 status, which at the moment is the case. So once you do that, you will see this message here. The page has been removed. This will tell Google that the page is no longer part of your website. The next thing that you need to do though is to select these pages that you have now set to be a 410 status. And you need to request indexing, ideally with two different indexers to increase the success rate. And that's what I'm doing here. We're selecting the indexer from the top, which will send these URLs that we have selected to the indexing service, which in turn requests for Google to visit your website pages. So we have now sent those for indexing. You can also use the index any links feature where you would copy and paste the links that you want to remove from Google search results here. Remember, this will only work for pages that are on your own website, because only for those pages we can change the status to be a 410. You can't remove any other pages outside of your own domain name from Google search results. But in a nutshell, that is the process. Then to make sure that you haven't missed anything, you can come to the server log analyzer here. And this only shows you pages that Google has actually visited on your website. If you're looking for hacked pages or other pages in particular, you could either look for click others here and then click filter. This will show you only the pages that are not pages, posts or categories. So only essentially URLs that do not exist in your WordPress database. For example, if we select pages and posts, this will only show us pages here that actually exist in our WordPress database. Whereas if we hit other, these URLs don't exist in our WordPress database. So it's a good place to start and check out why Googlebot is visiting pages that are actually not part of your website. And one answer could be that a hacker has inserted pages. Perhaps your theme has certain URLs that are baked into the code of your theme, which shouldn't be there. So you can learn a lot by just looking at what pages Google is visiting that are not actually part of your WordPress database. So that's what we're doing here. Let's say we want to de-index these pages, which were a 404 error last time when Google checked. So we can see here, Googlebot came on the 1st of February to this page and discovered a 404 error, which means that the page was temporarily unavailable. And on 404 errors, Google tends to come back more often to check later if the page is now back. So we want to basically tell Google there's no need to come back. We've permanently deleted this page. For that, let's select this page as well. For that, we will set the index status to 410 and we hit submit here. And in the next step, we will then go to indexing and we send this to Elite Indexer and we call this campaign 410. And this will be now sent to Elite Indexer for indexing. Essentially Elite Indexer will request for Googlebot to come and visit these URLs. So I just wanted to open Elite Indexer here and show you what these links look like. These were indeed created and we can see that all of the links that we selected were sent to Elite Indexer to be removed. Now, if you have any other questions on how to remove pages from Google search results, please feel free to drop a comment below or submit a ticket so we can help you out further. Thank you for watching.